What's going on, everyone? RJ here, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and touch on a lot of the things that I've been working on last year, right now, and obviously for the near future. As many of you know, I have launched a masterclass last year focusing on crypto and DeFi, which stands for decentralized finance. And as this channel continued to change and evolve, it moved more and more towards something that I realized was my true calling, and that was to use my platform to move us ever so closer to mass adoption by helping educate others in the world of crypto, as well as helping others find their version of financial freedom, the same way I was able to achieve mine. For those of you stumbling on my channel for the first time, crypto is a new and scary world with lots to learn. You're essentially learning finance and economics on a technology that's disrupting the financial industry as we see it. If you've been following my socials, you'll also know that I kickstarted my 2023 year by traveling to Miami and doing my first in-person workshop where I had an immense amount of fun, as well as what I want to present in my future workshops. Now, I obviously plan to do a lot more in the surrounding North Carolina area for the upcoming year. Now, I can sit here and tell you how crypto has changed my life, tell you why joining the BlüWolf crypto program can help jumpstart your crypto journey, or make posts about it until I'm blue in the face, but I'd rather let our students do the talking. I just have two questions I obviously want to ask first and foremost. One, how did you enjoy the course truthfully?
I love the course because I was following a guy on Facebook, and then every project he was in failed. And I was like, what the heck is this? So I started looking at other people and I'm like, oh, okay. So I came across you and I was like, oh my God, I like this guy. He's honest. I really feel like you're so honest.
Thank you so
And
much.
your information, you just put it out there. You know, your attitude is, it is what it is, and this is it. And I love that. You know, I love that honesty. I love being able to follow somebody that I feel like I can trust, and, you know, I don't have to feel like, okay, when's the bottom going to fall out? I mean, you know, in the crypto world, just like in stocks, it's the same thing. There's no guarantees at all whatsoever.
Yeah, agreed.
But, you know, you tend to find people who are more stable. I've listened to people, they start off really well, and then after a while you're like, you know what, this person is just after money. We all want to make money. We all want to be successful and financially fit. I get that. But I think some people just take it a step too far. It's like you're telling a story. Your presentation was a story.
Oh,
your presentation was, this is what's happening with me. Your presentation wasn't just, okay, let's get into this, let's go. You know, it wasn't a lecture. It wasn't like going to college, sitting in class in front of a professor. It wasn't like that. It was personable. You talked about your fiance, you know, and then I follow you. So I see like all the stuff you guys do. And I think that's great. I love all of it.
What I've always liked about you is I think you're just very honest. You're you know, you're not, I've never felt that you pushed anything, but I'm still made money. So I really like the approach that you have towards, you know, investing in this arena. I like the fact that you just kind of lay things out. You're very knowledgeable. I'm on my learning curve on this, and I just think you're a very, very good source, and I think this will be a good source for me. So
first and foremost, how did you like the class?
Oh, it was awesome. It was completely awesome. So that's funny you said that. So I went through kind of take notes, like I told you earlier. It's like, what could I give him feedback on it? And I liked it. I tried to take it to someone that had no knowledge, you know, and then fortunately for me, like I said, I had followed from the beginning. So it felt like I was kind of on that journey with you. I know you were finding all these projects and going, but I'd sit there and watch all your videos and be like, oh, cool, RJ's doing this.
Yeah.
My literally, like I told you in the class, my wife thinks we're best friends because I talk about you so damn much. It's so funny.
I really enjoy it because I had the opportunity to learn many things that I know some of them, but you clarify many of them, and I know now I can start digging more according that you teach me, so I can try to do my part also. Yeah.
Okay, very good. What was probably your favorite part of the course?
Oh, when you start implementing things, doing things when you go to your crypto.com account and you show how to do the steps, that's helpful, because for me as a newbie in this, so it's a lot of help. And also when you start showing the projects like
everything in my portfolio.
Yes, that's a plus for me.
Awesome.
It was weird because just before you actually announced that you was going to do this, I was thinking like nobody seems to do this kind of thing in crypto, because at the time of thinking it was like there are so many different areas you can go into, and understanding them all and finding one place to kind of learn about them. Obviously I don't know if there was something like that out there anyway, but obviously it was great the fact that you did that, because I mean, to have all the knowledge in one place is obviously a good thing. Learning with your course as well, it's like learning different strategies and ways that you can get into it. Learn about it. You've got, like you say, you sort of like your shorter term plays, your longer term plays, that kind of thing is, learning that kind of stuff. For me as well, it's kind of helped me sort of put a strategy in for myself, because I never really had a strategy before kind of watching your course. So
it's very thorough. I like how you simplified it by giving very good analogies and showing your experiences. And for example, I was just finishing watching like day 2. I've watched like day 5 and day 6 already.
Okay.
I like how you go into the hard wallet aspect, and then you kind of like, I'm not gonna say dumb it down, but you simplify it for the very newbies and the beginners. And then I especially enjoyed how you talked about your experiences, like using crypto.com or like KuCoin. Okay, there are some things I didn't know about that.
Cool.
So this is good for both the beginner and the advanced level.
Okay.
So it's very good about that. Yeah,
Cool.
And for showing us your experience and your strategy with that. Very nice.
And then the second question I have is, what was your favorite portion of the entire course, if you were able to catch them live?
I would say I think I caught almost all of them live. I think there was
awesome.
one that I had to review, maybe 2. But my favorite, I would say equally 2 things. One is the interaction, the ability to interact, meaning throw a question up and watch other people interact with you. That was one. But the other is literally your projects and your strategies, because when it comes down to it, though we all need to do all the prep work to make sure we are solid in our foundation before we jump out into it, that's the candy. That's what we really want, is how are you doing it? How is it working for you, so that I can try that myself. And you did a great job of saying, this is my project, this is how I'm doing it. That's what I want to go back and take notes on. Loved it. But first I want to congratulate you on your engagement. It's so funny that, I made this decision at one point to, in the chaos that was the Seifu Discord, as the chaos really began, and I was like, how can I get solid info on this? I reached out to you. I found you on your YouTube, and I reached out to you, and I said,
you sent the email, right?
That was me.
Yeah.
And I said, I'm looking for sane voices, and I was imagining, a channel in Seifu or something for sane people. And I said, I know this guy RJ is a good guy. I'm going to reach out to him. And lo and behold, that was the day I think that you proposed to your fiance, Brandy. And I saw that, and it's like, oh, he's not going to respond to me for a couple of days. So congratulations on that, by the way.
Thank you so much.
That was sort of crazy timing. And then even crazier timing was you responded to me saying, as a matter of fact, I have an academy that's launching on Sunday. So the timing of it was great.
That's awesome.
I'm very honored to be among the OGs that got into your course. And it's absolutely hugely valuable, and it's only the beginning. As I know you know, everybody in there is excited. I'm very excited to just sit in there and watch the conversations and participate and learn everything in years to come.
I think it's going to be really cool. I think it's
I'm sure
going to be an
it is.
amazing environment.
I want to throw you another compliment, RJ, because you're correct when you say that what it really is structuring the information. You're absolutely correct. But what you offer is not just structuring the information, but you are a calm voice. And I know you know that on some level, But you need to know from an audience level that your demeanor and your calmness about this is equally, if not more, valuable than the structure of what you're saying.
Thank you so much.
Of course, this world is it's based on hopium and audacity. Audacity is the thing that is utilized in the entire crypto space in order to communicate. And that's why I reached out to you. It's like, how can we get rid of this crazy parade of audacity and get down to the nitty gritty?
Yeah.
And you're just rock solid, calm, and you seem unflappable. I'm sure you are, but you seem unflappable, and that's hugely important to everybody. So recognize that.
Special shout out to the BlüWolf crypto family. Now, one takeaway out of all of this is that each bear market has its own unique once in a lifetime opportunity to position yourself for the next bull run. As catastrophic as it was, many people built the foundation of their wealth from the 2008 financial crisis. Now, Presearch says it best in their tweet: bear markets are a perfect opportunity to learn a skill or understand something you previously did not in the crypto space. What is something that you're looking to learn during this bear market? So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification so you guys stay up to date on all the crypto related news. And of course, if you or anyone you know is looking to get started on their crypto journey, or if you are someone that's been in the space for a while and you're looking to take it to the next level, then click on the link down in the description below to schedule your free webinar and see if you guys are going to be a good fit for the program. We are working on so many things. I have to continue working on those how-to videos and to help others wanting to get started on their crypto journey. And I want this channel to be one of the go-tos for that. So I'll continue doing my part and helping grow this channel. And you guys can help by just hitting that subscribe button. That's all I have for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.